Vice,
Dati
ganda.
sabi na.
Okay.
Nasyokot. Pwede ba explain muna? Pwede explain. Kasi yung sample kakanta dapat ako.
Oh.
Gusto ko bang tatlo. Paano gusto ko na lang mag-declamation?
Eh, wala
ako bigla.
Tsaka Hello Madlang People lang yung kinanta nila, no?
Pero pakak na pakak. Si Vienna.
Galing.
Wala ka ba?
Ay, sumahan niyo na lang ako para maano ha.
Ayan.
Dadaanin ko to sa charm.
Sa kanta mo, girl. Excuse me. Gusto ko na sa
Mahulog ka dyan, uy.
Yun naman ang gusto nyo, di ba mapahamak? Kaya pa kayo concern sa akin. Okay. Madlang people, let me hear your hands. Let me hear your hands. Nasagsali tayo. Come on. Put your hands together. Seems like everybody's got a pride. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the tale comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. You got the shades in the eyes and your hips so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we're thinking of a love tonight. It's not about money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about the change, ain't about the play, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. La 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 la. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah. Price tag, turn your head. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah. La 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 la. Yeah. Price tag. Money, money, money. Money, money, money. Price tag. Price tag. Money, money, money.
Money?
Money, money, money.
Money?
World change. Price tag. Everybody. Cha-ching, cha-ching. Everybody. The plane, wanna make the world change. Forget about the price tag. Ito na ang score nyo. Wala akong comment. Hindi, okay. Nakakatuwa kasi bumalik si